What is up, guys? My name is Toxic10 and welcome to the puzzle solving video. Today I will be showing you how to solve the freaking hardest puzzle I have ever tried. Here it is, the cast Equa. A puzzle that took me an astonishing, and I mean insane, 2 hours to take apart. And as it is a very dark puzzle, it might be very hard to explain how to solve it. But I will try, because I know if you have this puzzle right now, you looked up a solution for it, and you are ready to solve it as fast as possible. So you could either tell your friend that you solved it by yourself, which I am totally down with, or that it was very hard that you had to find a solution for it. But you could go ahead, your game. I understand if you want to go tell your friend that you solved it by yourself, go right ahead. But I am here to show you how to solve this. Very difficult, even though it's a level 5. I currently have 11 puzzles. And out of those 11, this was the hardest one of all of them. The 4th one I bought. Alright, the Hanayama Cast Equa. Anyways, to start off, I need to show you guys that these rings do indeed, they come apart like that. And the objective is to get them out of the frame. Now, let's try to get this to focus on here. Alright, brightness turned up now. So now I need to show you something. Okay, so let's try to... Can you turn up the brightness on here? Alright, let's focus it back on here so it turns brighter. So, first thing I need to show you to do is that if you grab both of the rings, you could... And you have to hold them towards the middle. Well, look at this. That is how you move one spike from one side to the other. Just slightly push it inwards. Push them inwards. Push this one that I'm tapping at. Push this one outside. And push the other one downwards. And that way you could move it forward while also kind of moving it. So now that spike is on the other side. Because those spikes stop the puzzle. Now the first thing you need to know is... Oh shoot. If it falls apart like that, I'll show you how to do that once we put it back together. This will be a quite long video because of how insane this puzzle is. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is find one ridge that is smaller than all the others. Now, same like with the dial puzzle, mine has a little scratch on there. So that's what I used to base off of it. So really you could see it more on the top. Let's focus it there. Let's try that. Will it get brighter? No. But really you could see it right there. Look at those. And then look at that tiny one right there. That's what you will notice. And I did not notice. I don't know how I did not notice it. But it's going to be even harder to notice. The little scratch that it has right here. It's impossible. You guys aren't going to see that. Can I even see? Yes, I can see it perfectly fine. But, oh my goodness. Alright, anyways. Yeah, just find the one that's smaller. And then try not to lose it by finding something that it has. Alright. So yeah, ooh, I think you can see it now. You can see it perfectly right now. It's more like a little dent that it has right there. Right at the end of my fingertip. It's like a little dent that it has. Alright, there it is. That's what I find it by. And what you need to do... I think I already forgot how to solve this puzzle, actually. Did I? No. Alright, so what you need to do is have the ring with the Equa on it. The Hanayama, sorry. It's going to be hard because I'm going to have to focus it every now and then. You have to move this. You're going to have to move the spike all the way over here. So I'll do that one more time to pass it through. Pull them inwards and go forward. So now that spike is right there. This is what you need. And it's wrong already. Because you want the opening of the Equa. The side with the opening. See how it has the... This is the closed side. This is the closed side of the Equa. The one with the spike. We want the open side, which is down here. So, I'm going to keep doing that. You guys will get the hang of this moving spike thing. So, yeah. You need to move both sides. So, yeah. Now that we have it here, I think that's actually it right there. Yeah, that's it. That's good right there. Switch it now, like that. Alright, so now we are in the correct position. Let's put it back in. Fell out. That's why it's falling out, because it's in the correct position. This takes many steps. Alright, I'm trying to center this back in because this is insanely hard to show how to do. And once you get those rings apart, It's insane to get them back in. So now we're in the correct position. You want the opening of the equal ring on this thin ridge. Now you just pull them apart. Let's try to do that. There you go. Pull it apart like that. Now this equal ring, the one with the equal sign on there, it's, again, focus. The equal ring is now on the thin ridge. And now what you need to do is spin this one. Spin this one right here. Spin it. And keep spinning. Ooh, this is very hard to show. Even let this one drop, the one that's already in the ridge, just don't let it exit the ridge. Now you want to spin this one to where the spike is right here, and the other side enters this thing. Because when it enters this ridge, the spike will go through. Look, see? Once it's inside this ridge right here, it's going to go through. And that's what you want. Once that is through, you can move it up here. Okay, watch. Once that is through, and on the bottom, focus. Want it to be bright. It's already there. You need to get this one. Once it's already on the floor, you could already put it in here. In this other one right here. So it was right here. This is where we put it so it could drop. Now we need to put it in here. Now we slide this one all the way to the top. And this move is where you will notice if you're on the thin ridge or not the thin ridge. Because this will not slide all the way to the top. It will not want to slide all the way to the top. So if it hasn't slid all the way to the top right now, and it's stuck, then you're not on a thin ridge. You're on a different ridge that you thought was a thin ridge. So go find another one. Pause the video right now and go find another one. If so, then if you are on the right one and it went up here, you will spin that till it goes to the spike. And this is where you flip the puzzle upside down so gravity does work with you. You get this crack on here to pass through the ridge. Alright. There you go. Give it a little jiggle. Alright, there you go. Now it's come out. Now what you need to do is just flip this one like this so it's easier. You don't need to, but it makes it a lot easier. Then you just flip this one. Start spinning it. Move this one to the right side. And then it comes out. Now this is why I wanted you to flip this one. So now all you have to do is just move this one inwards. Like this. Move that one through. Twist it. And you're done. That is how to disassemble the cast Equa. Now give me a little break because that is an insanely hard puzzle to solve. Alright. Now putting it back together, this is where you'll learn how to put these together easier. Alright, so now to get it back together, all you need to do is just put that in, spin it, and go like that. How do you know it's on the right? Well, you'll have the little right side right here with the little tiny ridge right here. Sticks out on the side of the equal, where the letters are. Alright, so now you'll see the thin ridge where's the thin ridge? This one. And you'll go on the ridge on the right side of the thin ridge. Move it towards the right to where you can do that. And now you spin this one upwards. So it's like that. This is how you want it. And then you don't need to spin it up because now gravity's on this side. So where you can put it in, leave it like that. There you go. Look at that. Perfect. Now you spin this. Alright. Have it go in there. So it was up here, right? That's why this couldn't spin until it's down here. So make sure that this one goes inside the ridge. So now you can move it up here, spin it like that. And now, again, you put the non-equal ring, the one with no letters, in this ridge right here. So now, when you push it up, now you can pass the spike through. There you go. Now you just spin it to the side like that. As you see, the spike is now right here. Oh, shoot. Okay, so now it was right here, and I just spun it around. And now this is what you need to do. You put them like this. Look at this. This ring is inside a ridge, and this one is inside a ridge. So now they're perfectly aligned, and they go together. There you go. And if you want to give it to a friend, all you got to do is shuffle it. And how I recommend to shuffle it is to have the ring on the opposite side like this. Look. Just keep shuffling it so it looks like it's on the right side, but it's the wrong spike. Like I had it right now, and it tricked me. So move that down too. Move this one down here. Alright, there you go. Alright, now we move this here. And there you go. Now this opening is the wrong opening, so it's not going to open. And we just flip it around. There it is. Here is our spike. That's not our spike. This is it. This is our spike. There you go. That is how to take apart and put back together the cast Equa in the best way I could explain it. My ribs hurt from laying down because I don't have too good of a setup to record. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for all my suffering. My name is Toxic10. See you later.